Understanding Cloud Computing, a Beginner's Guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and increasingly important technology, cloud computing. This concept might seem complex, but we'll break it down together to make it easy and understandable. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a term used to describe the use of remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and process data, rather than using a local server or a personal computer. Imagine having a powerful computer somewhere else in the world, and you can use it through the internet. That's the essence of cloud computing. It allows us to access computer resources and services anytime, anywhere, as long as we have an internet connection. Cloud computing can be divided into three main types. 1. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. This is like renting the physical hardware, like servers and storage, from a cloud provider. 2. Platform as a Service, PaaS. Here, you get a platform allowing you to develop, run, and manage applications without the complexity of building and maintaining the infrastructure. 3. Software as a Service, SaaS. This is a service model where you use software over the internet on a subscription basis, like using an email service or office tools. Cloud computing offers several benefits. Cost efficiency. It reduces the cost of buying and maintaining IT systems. Scalability. You can scale your computing resources up or down based on your needs. Accessibility. Access your data and applications from anywhere in the world. Security. Many cloud providers offer advanced security features to protect your data. You might be using cloud computing in your daily life without even realizing it. Some common uses include storing and backing up photos and documents online, streaming movies and music, using web-based email services, hosting websites and blogs. Cloud computing is a powerful and flexible technology that has become a backbone for many services we use today. It's a fascinating world of tech that offers numerous benefits for both individuals and businesses. I hope this video has helped demystify cloud computing for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next learning adventure.